Hello children. So continuation of Calcarea group symptoms second lecture. After the first four symptoms, we come to the next mental symptom, that is the another word for Calcarea group symptom. Okay, another link. Yes, the next mental symptom is fearfulness. All Calcareas are fearful. You name it and they have the fear. Fear is 3-mark symptoms of Calcarea group. You name it. You say they have fear of everything. Fear of crowd, fear of loneliness, fear of brightness, fear of darkness, fear of sickness, fear of money, fear of poverty. You name it and the fear is there. So Calcarea is said, the another word itself for Calcarea group is fear. It is a 3-mark symptom of Calcarea group, and especially Calcarea carb drug. That will come later on. Okay, so this is called 3-mark symptoms of Calcarea group. Fear is another important mental symptom of Calcarea. Not all the remedies of our Materia Medica is having fearfulness. But when you name the word fear, immediately तुम्हारे दिमाग में Calcarea चालू हो जाना चाहिए. फियर मतलब डर, उसको हर चीज़ का डर लगता है. बच्चा घर पे अकेला नहीं रहता है. द लेडी विल नेवर गो आउट अलोन. अगर बहुत भीड़ देखी बाज़ार में तो वो वापस आ जाएगी. बराबर, कोई हॉस्पिटल में बीमार है तो वो मिलने भी नहीं जाएगी, क्योंकि उसको सबसे डर लगता है. बीमारी से डर लगता है, इससे डर लगता है, उससे डर लगता है, कुछ भी बोलो उसको डर लगा रहता है. ऑल कैलकेरियाज आर फियरफुल. यस. नेक्स्ट मेंटल सिम्टम, insecurity and need for protection. All Calcareas feel insecure. Insecure એટલે શું? એ લોકોને એમ થાય કે પ્રોટેક્શન વધારે જોઈએ. गॉट इट. इनसिक्योर मतलब क्या? उनको लगे क्या हो जाएगा, अगर मैं अकेली हो गई तो क्या हो जाएगा. बराबर, तो उनको हमेशा एक टाइप का प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए, उनको एक टाइप का कवरेज चाहिए, प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए. सो ऑल कैलकेरियाज फील इनसिक्योर. They want security in everything. They want security in everything. They are overprotective and over caring for their own self. And they are very anxious. Right? They are very anxious. You see, I will explain this insecurity with an example. A young girl who is gradually passing through a marriageable age, right, is not getting married. एक लड़की, उसकी शादी की उम्र हो गई है मगर वो शादी नहीं कर रही है. ग्रेजुअली उसकी एज बढ़ती जा रही है और उसने शादी नहीं की. क्यों? उसको पेरेंट्स की सिक्योरिटी थी, उसको पेरेंट्स के घर का कंफर्टेबल एटमॉस्फेयर था, कंफर्ट जोन था. बट लेटर शी रियलाइजेस कि नाउ माई पेरेंट्स आर गेटिंग ओल्ड. They will no longer take care of me now, be able to take care of me. On the contrary, I will have to take care of them. Got it? So what she does, for a protection, for her own protection, she now is ready to get married. To whom? To a strong husband. To a husband who will give him security in the type of money, in the type of education, in the type of the residence where he or she lives, all types of securities. Barabar? So they are the people who feel extremely insecure. They feel extremely a need for protection. Since the parents are getting old, they are going to depend on this girl now, or on this boy now, and she is not able to take care of anyone. So what she does, she leaves her parents and now is ready to get married. Got it? So this is what is called as insecurity and need for protection. They are not able to take any stress on themselves. They are now they are weak. And they always seek somebody very strong as their spouse, as their partner, as their friend. So the 5th mental symptom is fearfulness, 6th mental symptom is insecurity and need for protection. Now we go further. Lack of self-confidence is yet another symptom. I am repeating, lack of self-confidence is still a further extended understanding. This I would like to explain you in what way that you see when somebody says when somebody is always worrying what others are thinking about her or him. બીજા મારા માટે શું કહેશે, બીજા મારા માટે શું કહેશે, પછી બીજા કે આણે મને આવું કહ્યું એટલે મને બહુ ખરાબ લાગ્યું, આણે મને આમ કહ્યું એટલે મને બહુ ખરાબ લાગ્યું, બરાબર. પછી એનાથી આગળ કહે છે હું કશે બી જાઉં મને કંપની તો જોઈએ જ, મારાથી એકલા નહીં થાય, બરાબર, મને તો કોઈક જોઈએ જ. હવે ઓલ ધીસ વિલ લીડ યુ ઇન ટુ વોટ ટાઈપ ઓફ પર્સનાલિટી? અ પર્સન હુ હેઝ નો સેલ્ફ કોન્ફિડન્સ, બરાબર, a person who doesn't have any type of confidence, a person, it all this in total leads to what? When you always remain in a state of fearfulness. આગળનું સિમ્ટમ, બરાબર, તમે હંમેશા ડરી ડરીને જીવો છો, તમે હંમેશા બીજા શું કહે છે એ જ વિચાર્યા કરો છો, તમે હંમેશા બીજાના ઓપિનિયન પર જ રિલાય કરો છો, બરાબર, તમને હંમેશા બધી જ વાતનો ડર લાગે છે, તમે કોઈક દિવસ કોઈ જવાબદારી ક્યાં તો કોઈ એક્સાઇટમેન્ટ ક્યાં તો કોઈ સ્ટ્રેસ લેવા નથી માંગતા અને બીજાની ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ થયા કરો છો. તો ધીસ હોલ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ હાઉ ઇટ બિકમ્સ અ પર્સન વિથ અ વેરી પુઅર સેલ્ફ એસ્ટીમ, a person with a very low self-confidence. So all calcarias are persons with very slow or are very low self-confidence. Finally, one another symptom. It is called withdrawal and don't want to face opposition. I am repeating, withdrawal and don't want to face opposition. All calcarias, they have decided aversion to fighting. સમજો પાછું બોલું છું. ઓલ કેલ્કેરિયાઝ જનરલી એવોઇડ ક્વોરલ્સ. એ લોકો કોઈ દિવસ કોઈની સાથે ઝઘડામાં ઉતરે નહીં. ઘણા લોકો આપણી આસપાસ એવા હોય, આપણી સોસાયટીમાં, આપણી ફેમિલીમાં હોય, તમે કહો તો એક નહીં ને 5 જણને પહોંચી વળે અને પેલા બિચારાને જરા કશું કહો બીજા બેનને તો તરત રડી પડે, બરાબર. દે આર ડિફરન્ટ, યુ સી. વન ઇઝ ધ નાટ્રમ ક્વોલિટી or I can tell you some another drug. But the other quality, who cries easily, who just એક બૂમ પાડો ને રડી પડે, તો this could be calcaria. Why? Because they cannot fight, they cannot answer back, and they prefer to withdraw from a situation. They never back answer. They never back answer. They don't take any type of stress, બરાબર. And they always say કે મારે લડવું નથી, ભગવાન એને જોશે. Got it? So they are the people who never, they are the people who rather prefer to wait and watch instead of reacting. No reaction is also a reaction. એવું છે આ લોકોમાં. All calcarias prefer to wait and watch and they never enter into disputes. And they, instead of reacting or fighting with anyone or anywhere, they would rather leave it to destiny. And they say, I don't want to fight, because they don't have that guts. They don't have that confidence. If at all their point is right also, they cannot fight. So it is said that it is a withdrawal conduct. They withdraw. They don't go and fall into it. એ લોકો જઈને લડે નહીં, પણ એ લોકો withdraw કરી નાખે, પાછા આવી જાય. અને કેવું છે? They prefer to wait and watch instead of fighting with anyone. So this becomes the last mental symptom. Now, few physical symptoms along with this are all calcarias are fair, fat and flabby. I'm repeating, F cube, fair, fat and flabby. Second, other than sulf and calcarea iode, or major of the calcarias are chili patients. Third, all calcarias generally crave cold drinks, meat, butter, cheese, paneer, bakery items. Calcarias are left-sided. Calcarias have aggravation 15 hours. That means 3 p.m. There is perspiration of single parts, and generally calcaria is indicated in a disease which is called hypothyroidism. Okay, so children, I have finished with calcaria group symptoms. I have tried to explain as much as I can. You can always ask me the queries and we will continue with further next lecture. Thank you. Goodbye.